So we stopped and changed, and now we are pulling up at Aaron's house. Look at him filming the pull up. So, what do you think of it?
It's another one. It's a car. I like these kind of. They're pretty half decent. This thing, yeah, it could use a little love. What do you think of it?
I like these cars technically. I think that they look cool.
They do kind of look cool. I thought it was the other one when you said Ford Edge. I forgot.
No, it's not the one. This is like cooler one. This thing's a 2011, and overall, what do you think comparatively to like some of the other cars have a lot worse wear and tear?
Yeah, I mean, it's got the typical Quebec signs of Quebec roads, and yeah, you know. Sorry, what were we talking about?
I forgot. I got distracted. Somebody tried to glue it, and
Yes,
I don't know why they tried to glue it.
like some glue.
Open the trunk door.
Holy shit! Attack. I mean, that is advantageous, and that does have a season or two left in it.
So, overall,
you know, yeah, it's a car.
I hate you. All right, let's get this thing done. We're doing rear brakes. Watch Aaron using his new toy.
Jacking like a jackass.
Jacking ass.
I mean, it's off the ground. That was pretty good.
And you're jacking from sitting down, which should be incredibly hard to do normally.
Yes.
All right, so we're fully jacked up. We're fully set up. We got the impact. We're on Aaron's new jack. Car's off the ground. We're ready to go. Cool. Let's see if it comes off when I kick it.
Twice. Not bad. Par for the junky car course, I guess. There we go. Whoa, whoa.
We're losing it. We're losing it. Tire's coming back.
I like watching him suffer. I could stand up and help him.
No.
But that would be no
God
fun
forbid.
at all.
I am tightening. Why would I be tightening?
Because you're backwards.
I know.
Oh, look at that.
Joking. It's a trick I do. I tighten it a bit so that then when you loosen it, it loosens easier. Yeah, it's an old trick.
Well, that is totally false.
So, in Scott's way.
Yeah, I've been hearing about this Scott's Way stuff.
Okay.
That is loosened, yes, you got it. I saw it move. Oh, I saw it move. Look at that. WatchScottSuffer.com.
It's still actually coming. Okay. Okay, it's coming. It came.
You sick sons of...
Right there?
Yeah, full shot. Cool. Now, Scott's method. Why is it not coming off?
You're going to have to force open that brake.
No, I'm not. And that's Scott's way of doing it. Then the pads come out. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. It does help us. It helps us so much. Then we use the tool to push that back in.
Now the brain starts to contemplate what he's seeing. We'll watch him for this, so at least you can watch the brain function.
We are.
See, yeah.
We are going to watch the brain function.
How the brain.
And you're going to say, oh, wow, Scott is actually a genius when it comes to engineering. So the reason it was not working is because it was at the wrong end. Now, put this through here, put that through there, attach that to that, attach that to that. There we go. It's rotating. That's not right.
So that did not quite look right. I mean, are you torching it first or not?
No? Do we have a torch?
Of course we do.
So let's torch it and smoke it with a hammer.
So propane. Got it.
A few moments later.
You're not going to get it to glow red like an acetylene torch.
So you think this is the hottest it's gonna get?
I mean, it'll get a little bit hotter for sure, but I think you've probably done what you need to do. Yeah, it's not triggering it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct, sir.
Come on, the amount. That's not funny.
That's very, very funny.
We're going to put a bolt on.
I'm not sure what this is about, but we'll humor him.
Holding it so it doesn't rotate.
And that went surprisingly easy. Right? Comes down to prep work.
That was hot.
Clank, 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 clank.
Not so hot.
Oh, what do you mean? It's not grooved at all on the
Look at
inside.
that
That's
nice
beautiful.
groove.
And they do look pretty similar.
I already did this out of the thingy and they were very similar, so we're just
Out
gonna
of the
go
thingy?
on look. So these go there. That goes there.
Holy.
Super fun. Bet that's hot. Nope, not that hot. Ooh, that bolt is though, that stud. That stud is very, very, very
retaining
short.
some heat. Yep, yep. This is very minor. Tap, tap.
Okay, now, pads.
Oh, pads, pads.
Pads, the musical fruit.
That's beans.
Oh.
The more you eat, the more you toot.
No, it's pads also though. I heard it somewhere. On like the TikToks and stuff. The kids are saying it, man, don't worry.
Are you guys hearing what I'm hearing? To me, that sounds like a brake caliper going back together. God, how was it?
So simple. Alright. Brakes, pads. That was incredibly annoying. Like, incredibly annoying.